Compare 11 over 15 and 17 over 24. To compare these two fractions, we must first find the lowest common denominator, which is the same as finding the lowest common multiple of the denominators 15 and 24. To find the least common multiple of 15 and 24, we begin by factoring 15 so that one of its factors is a prime number, preferably the smallest possible prime. In this case, 3 times 5, which are both prime numbers. Next, we factor 24 so that one of its factors is a prime number, preferably the smallest. In this case, 2 times 12, where 2 is a prime and 12 can be factored some more. We factor 12 so that one of its factors is a prime number, again, preferably the smallest. In this case, again, we get 2 times 6, where 2 is a prime. And then we factor 6 once more so that one of its factors is a prime. And in this case, again, we get 2 times 3. And it turns out both 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So the prime factorization of 15 is equal to 3 times 5, while the prime factorization of 24 is equal to 2 to the third times 3, where the least common multiple of 15 and 24 is the product of each prime factor raised to its highest exponent. In this case, we have 2 to the third times 3 times 5, which is equal to 120. Which means I can write the equivalent of fraction for 11 over 15 with a denominator of 120, and I can also write the equivalent of fraction for 17 over 4, again, with a denominator of 120. If I want to write an equivalent fraction for 11 over 15 with a denominator of 120, we need to know what we need to multiply 15 by to get 120. And that is, we need to multiply 15 times 8. That equals 120. But what we do on the bottom of a fraction, we must do on the top. So in this case, if I multiply 15 by 8, I have to multiply 11 by 8, which is equal to 88. So the equivalent of fraction with a denominator of 120 for 11 over 15 is 88 over 120. The same applies to 17 over 24. I need to know what number do I need to multiply 24 by to get 120. And that number would be 5. And again, if I multiply 24 by 5, I have to multiply 17 by 5. And 17 times 5 equals 85. Therefore, the equivalent fraction for 17 over 24 that has a denominator of 120 is 85. Now, since 11 over 15 is equivalent to 88 over 120, and 17 over 24 is equivalent to 85 over 120, comparing 11 over 15 to 17 over 24 is the same as comparing 88 over 120 to 85 over 120. And since 88 over 120 and 85 over 120 are like fractions, to compare them, we only need to compare the numerators. And since the numerator in 88 over 120 is larger than the numerator in 85 over 120, 88 over 120 is larger than 85 over 120. Therefore, 11 over 15 is larger than 17 over 24.